If you're suffering from hair loss and you want to grow your hair thicker, fuller, and healthier, this recipe is for you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Hi guys, welcome. My name is Natari Jessie. Here I created a lot of amazing ingredient that's gonna help you to promote your hair growth. Alright guys, so if this video interests you, please watch the video till the end. The first ingredient to be using is banana. Okay, banana has nourishment that helps you to strengthen your hair, it moisturizes your hair. It has vitamin C, vitamin B, it has biotin, it has potassium, okay, that helps you to grow your hair. So this ingredient right here, this particular one, I did a hair growth butter. Okay, so I extracted the oil, so I'm going to be using the chaff because I still have benefit inside for my mask. So we're going to be making a hair growth mask today. I hope you enjoyed this particular video inside. So this, I'm going to refer you guys to the hair growth butter I make to see the ingredients I have inside this this chaff. All right, so we have basil leaf, I had avocado inside, I had neem powder, moringa powder. So here I'm going to be adding in my aloe vera gel. So this aloe vera gel, I scooped it and put inside the freezer for it to last me long. So I use aloe vera gel instead of using water. Okay, and this is the paste we have. So I don't want to put all this on my hair because the chaff did not blend so well. Okay, so I added more aloe vera gel to rinse out the body of the blender to blend it, and this is what we have. I'm going to be squeezing it because you don't need that chaff on your hair. Okay, so I'm squeezing it out. You have to squeeze very well to bring out only this paste you are seeing right now. Okay, so this ingredient, combination of this ingredient is so amazing. It's going to help you to promote your hair growth. So there is rosemary inside, there is fenugreek seed inside. Yeah, from the first small light you guys saw, fenugreek seed was inside as well. So all these ingredients, I used them for, the first one was the one I used for my tea, and the second one was the one I used for my oil for my hair growth butter. So you can always leave any ingredient you use for your tea or your butter and use it and make a mask. Okay, so I just added my banana inside just to enhance the banana because I wanted to do a wash day routine and I had to do like a banana wash day routine. So I was thinking, what would I add to this banana that's gonna enhance it for my hair growth? So I decided to use the ingredient I have in stock. So this is the chaff. We don't need this again. We have used everything, so this one is meant to throw away. So this is the consistency we have, is quite watery, which is fine by me. Okay, so I'm going to be transferring this in a jar. This is my application bottle for application. Yeah, love, if you watch this extent, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Using this deep condition, or like say hair mask, is going to soften your hair, is going to moisturize your hair, is going to leave your hair shining and strong. Okay, so this is a very potent deep condition, or will I say hair mask. So this is my hair. I've washed it off camera and I'll be applying this on my hair. So this hair mask can help you to moisturize and condition your hair. Okay, I'm gonna lead your hair to leave your hair stronger and healthier strand, like leave your hair in a healthier strand. So I have washed my hair and this is what my hair looks like. It's so good. Okay, like my hair is doing so amazing. So I'm going to be applying this all over my hair, and I'm going to leave this for 30 minutes before I rinse out. You can use this once in a month. As I said in my previous video, I try to balance the pH on my hair. Okay, so when I use a deep condition, I either use a protein or moisturizing or hydrating, it depends on how I feel. Okay, so this one I use this once a month. Okay, I use this once a month because of all the ingredients I use inside. So I hope you enjoyed this video with me. I was doing this at night, that is why the video is like this. Okay, so I was using a ring light of mine, and I was making this video at night. So I'm just applying and massaging as I go. Okay, so I noticed that my application bottle was not going so well, so I just apply it a little bit, then I'll apply the remaining one off camera. So this is what my hair is looking like guys, my hair is growing healthy because of all the ingredients I've been using on my hair. So let me know which one is your favorite. Using this hair grow mask is going to help you to grow your hair. And do you know the fact that after I used this, okay, my hair was so soft, like literally so soft for 2 days. 2 days softness in a row. Yes, that's how amazing this mask was. So I'm going to apply this and I'll show you guys what it looks like after application. If you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. My name is Naturally Jessie. Here I create a lot of amazing ingredients that's going to help you to promote your hair. If you're suffering from hair loss, thin edges, you want to grow a healthy hair like mine, try any of my recipe and it's going to be worth it. Okay, I do try different kinds of recipe that I know that has helped my hair. So I'm just going to be massaging, and this is what it looks like. I applied the remaining one off camera. Okay, after that I'm going to be wearing a bag like this. Yes, please do this in the bathroom because it can be quite messy. So I wore this bag like this, and I'm not going to sitting down under any heat protectant or anything like that. I'm going to leave this naturally to enter my hair for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes I will rinse it out and show you guys what it looks like. So 30 minutes is over, and I was watching a movie, so 30 minutes is over and I'll be rinsing this out. So one thing you should know about this mask is that when you put it on your hair, have another cloth close by because the thing was dripping a lot. It was dripping all over my body. So after you do this, you go and shower because you might feel a little bit sticky on your body. Yes, so let me just give you guys small heads up. So this is my hair, and I love the feeling of it. Okay, so I'm done rinsing my hair out. This is what it looks like. After this I'll go in with my teas, my butter, my oils, and yeah, it's so a simple hair growth mask that you can use monthly. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video with me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. What do you guys think about this hair growth mask? My hair was feeling so soft. After 2 days it was still feeling soft. That's how awesome this hair growth mask was. Yeah, loves, I'll see you all my besties in my next video. Like the hair is giving, right? It's giving, right? It's giving. All right, bye guys.